Yo, 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 man, what it do, man? This is your boy North End Floyd back with a reaction video. And y'all already know what to do. Please like, please subscribe, please share to the content. I appreciate y'all for rocking out with your boy and helping the channel grow. But this video right here is gonna be about Pluto, man. Look, we gotta stop disrespecting Pluto. Scientists out there, stop disrespecting Pluto. Okay, first they're a planet, then they're not a planet, then they're a planet again. And now y'all saying that y'all discovered a planet that's bigger than Pluto. Why did y'all have to even include Pluto? Why? What is the disrespect with Pluto? Why are y'all constantly disrespecting Pluto? All right, just leave Pluto alone, man. Let them live, let them be. All right, so this video, we're gonna see what NASA is talking about. We're gonna see what this planet is that they're talking about that's bigger than Pluto. All right, stop the disrespect on Pluto. All right, God damn it. Let's check out the video.
Seen the wonder of dwarf planets in all their glory, and the uniqueness of these planets makes them a center of attention to this day. Over the past decades, astronomers have extensively researched our galaxy and its components. The discoveries made by scientists on their research journey have catapulted their analysis and observations of the planets around us as we discover new things every day about them
Damn,
and their
that's wild.
peculiarities too. From the discovery of planets that have the potential to serve as habitats for life to thrive to the
The
empty
hell?
planets, the list is endless. These dwarf planets have been a mystery to researchers right from when scientists found them far away in the outer parts of our solar system. Their locations are in the deep parts of space, so these planets are relatively small and cold. Because of their distance from our planet Earth, it is very hard for astronomers to detect and observe them, even when large telescopes are used.
Hey,
This
we
is
got the
why only
James
a few
Webb.
of them have been discovered across the solar system over the past years. In
Shout
order
out to
to study
Neptune.
these distant worlds effectively, scientists have been combing data from various sites of observation, and in the process, a massive structure was discovered. What is this massive structure? What does it contain? And how would this massive size affect our solar system? Join us as we explore the discovery of this massive planet that has been hiding in our solar system. The shocking discovery of 2007 OR10 in the trans-Neptunian
Mm.
region was an addition to the mysterious bunch of dwarf planets. Thanks to the Kepler Space Telescope and the Herschel Observatory, it was examined further and more research was made on the dwarf planet. These findings brought out the results about the planet, and it turned out to be that 2007 OR10 was the largest world with no name in the solar system. Of all the dwarf planets, the planet happens to be the third biggest in size. Contrary to results of previous research done, this shows that the planet is bigger than what it was perceived to be. Further reports were made on the planet as it was found to be quite dark.
Shroom with mud water and change your
Mm.
life. I'm on shrooms, don't tell my mom.
She on
Mushrooms,
shrooms.
mushrooms,
What the
mushrooms.
fuck?
I have been.
All right,
And
back
that
to
it
business.
rotates more slowly than any other body that orbits the Sun, as it takes close to 45 hours to complete one rotation.
Wow.
The Kepler Space Telescope, which is now known as K2, was a major contributor to the analyzing and observations of this planet, together with the data obtained from the archives in the infrared Herschel Space Observatory, a research scientist that was based on the Kepler mission at NASA's Ames Research Center in California's Silicon Valley, here at Baronston, commended the K2 by saying that the Space Telescope made a groundbreaking contribution when the study got to the stage of revising the estimated size of 2007 OR10. The measurement of the planet's diameter was revised to 1,535 kilometers and is about 60 miles greater than the largest dwarf planet after it, planet Marky, or about 3 times smaller than Pluto. Still, the astonishing part is how the combination of both Herschel and the Kepler Space Telescope brought forth such valuable information about the object's physical properties to aid the research. When compared with another dwarf planet, Haumea, it has an oblong shape that was wider on its long axis than
Damn, it don't look like a
2007
planet.
OR10. But when they
Like an
analyzed the
asteroid.
overall volume to 2007 OR10, it turned out to be smaller. Although attempting to get the size of small and faint objects distant from the Earth can be tricky, since these objects appear from afar as mere points of light, it is not an easy feat to determine if the light coming from these objects represents a smaller and brighter object or if it is a larger and darker one. These factors are what make the observation of 2007 OR10 a complex task. Even though its elliptical orbit brings it close to the Sun, just like Neptune, it is still double the distance from the Sun to Pluto. When more data was
Dang,
obtained by
double the
researchers
distance.
Brown, Burgas, and Fraser, the planet exhibited infrared signatures of both water ice and methane. Also, the appearance of the dwarf planet is quite reddish. The cause of this is believed to be due to tholins showing up on the surface ice, which happens due to the irradiation of methane by ultraviolet radiation. The presence of red methane frost on the planet's surface is also seen as an existence of a tenuous methane atmosphere, which would slowly evaporate into space when the planet is closer to the sun. Although the planet comes closer to the sun, its large mass maintains the methane atmosphere. The presence of water on the planet's surface suggests there must have been an icy volcanic eruption at a particular period, also known as cryovolcanism. According to Brown, the period is not the cause of water ice freezing on the surface, but the creation of the nitrogen and carbon monoxide atmosphere. All of these factors should have diminished quickly, and only a fragile atmosphere of methane would be the only thing left today.
Thought it was
However,
methane.
more data has to be gathered before astronomers can conclude whether or not 2007 OR10 has ever had a history of cryovolcanism, an atmosphere, or even what the planet's interior looks like. Our revised larger size for 2007 OR10 makes it increasingly likely the planet is covered in volatile ices of methane, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen, which would be easily lost to space by a smaller object, said Andras Pell at Congahe Observatory in Budapest, Hungary, who led the research. It's thrilling to tease out details like this about a distant new world, especially since it has such an exceptionally dark and reddish surface for its size.
Yo, they didn't have a better picture of dude. Dude look like he eating a bag of Doritos and shit, you know what I'm saying, walking, and y'all just took that picture to, you know what I'm saying, put quotes and shit by him and stuff like that. Dude, like, why they use this picture?
The 2007 OR10 later got renamed to be referred to as Gong Gong. And as the
Gong
researchers kept
gong.
moving forward in their study, an amazing discovery was made. The Kepler 78b, also known as the planet that shouldn't exist.
Hmm.
This planet remains a mystery to scientists today as it has slight components in relation to Earth's composition and size. It is a planet with a superlight orbit, is just 20% more massive than Earth, and even possesses the same density as Earth. In simpler terms, the
Really?
Kepler 78b can easily pass as Earth's twin. The temperature on this planet ranges from 2,240 to nearly 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Damn.
And judging from this, you can say that this planet is a planet of lava. The burning world moves around its parent star very fast, completing its yearly orbit around the Sun within 8.5 hours. This
Really?
exoplanet was found around a star called Kepler 78 that stays about 400 light years away from Earth. And scientists refer to it as an alien planet because nobody knows how it got there. Astronomers discovered the world of lava by watching the star dim a little bit just as the exoplanet passed in front of the star, blocking its light. And because it orbits so close, a different set of measurements was used to calculate the amount of gravitational pull the planet exerts on its parent star. Altogether, this collation of this data allowed the scientists to calculate the planet's mass and density, which resulted in 5.57 grams per centimeter cubed, the same density as our world. This concludes that Kepler 78b is a rocky planet and one of the planets in familiar compositions just like planet Earth. Another mystery about this massive planet that baffles astronomers is that the Kepler 78b orbits really close to its parent star. According to current theories surrounding planet formation, no world is meant to form successfully at such a close distance.
Yeah,
But
the
scientists and
gravitation
astronomers
pull on it.
keep discovering surprising mysteries about the hundreds of newly discovered exoplanets and other star systems. They feel that their theories on planet formation are probably wrong. However, there are also opinions that the planet's days are numbered. This is said because the planet would continue to orbit nearer and nearer until the gravity coming from its parent star tears it apart. This is predicted to happen in the next 30 billion years. The planet was spotted through the use of the National Aeronautics and
30
Space
billion?
Administration's
Y'all
Kepler
got a little
Space
while.
Telescope, one of the major machines that are always used when on a mission to search for exoplanets. And this space telescope has successfully discovered more than 130 other worlds. However, the Kepler Space Telescope recently had a mechanical failure that has
Oh
put it
shit.
out of commission. So while you might say that the planet hunting days are probably over for the glorious machine, scientists are still trying to find a way around it to see if the mission can be used for other purposes. The exploration done in our solar system has made us understand the universe and its entirety, from the unique galaxies to several unimaginable planets that have orbited our solar system. And when we think about life out in space, we think about what life in the rocky and very hot world of Kepler 78b will be like, even though life on this planet might be the direct opposite of ours. Let us know what you think in the comment section below.
Yo, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? Correcting history and improving technology to find our mistakes and what we thought, what seemed to be and that not is now right now. So I just think we need to stop disrespecting Pluto. All right, Pluto didn't do nothing wrong, but I mean, for us to be still discovering planets and exoplanets and stuff like that, it is amazing. With the James Webb telescope out there, that is amazing. Shout out to technology and shout out to the human species for going out there and trying to discover what's out there and trying to learn more of the universe. So, but man, I'm finna get out of here, man. And I'm just hoping that y'all have a blessed day, man. Y'all please be blessed. Please be safe. Please be 100. And just enjoy life out there, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. This your boy North End Floyd, man. Y'all take care.